This sheet is called range cleaner and the file is the same, range cleaner. We also have helper sheet ini here. It contains only settings, you don't need to change this sheet. Range cleaner is settings sheet. As I said, we have task IDs here, some file ID if needed, sheet name, range in A1 notation, and range type. And let's go to our sample file cleanme and see it has some range field with letter M in impact font. And also it has my sheet 2 with the same content. And we need to clear some ranges here. So first I need to get file ID from this sheet, from this spreadsheet. I just copy it from my browser URL and I need to copy it here, paste it here. This means when I paste file ID that I need clear range from another file. If I leave this blank, that means I need the same file. So it will get the same file range cleaner. Next, sheet name. You may enter sheet name here, or you may just leave it blank and to create the link like this. My sheet in single quotes. This is why I created it as a formula, because single quote from the beginning of the sheet name must remain, and then exclamation sign and the cell address I-24 in this case. And other examples are just cells. So let's go through these tasks. Task number 1, G5 L9 and clear range only. Task number 2, P99, and it's also range only, because if you leave this blank, then range only will be selected as a default value. Next, B15H15. I want to clear range and columns behind this range. What this means? Let's go back and select B15H15 to our sample file. B15 and go through H15, and this means I say clear all the range behind this to the end of the page, and it will clear. Let's see. Then R50, range up to the end of sheets. It's really interesting. Let's go to R15 in our sample. The script will find the end of the sheet from to the right from the cell and to the end of the sheet from bottom to the bottom. And that's it, and it will clear this range. Next, the same range to the end of sheet, and next two blanks, which means clear range only. Okay, I used only one sample file, I think this is enough, and I also left blank, that means clear the same file, range cleaner. So let's go to script, tools, script editor. I've already opened it to save some time, and test range cleaner. Select this function, it is the only function, and click run. When you first run this script, you need to authorize. I already done this, so I'll just click run. And let's click Ctrl Enter to see what's happened. It gives me zeros, which means all ranges were cleared successfully. And let's go to our sample file cleanme and see the result. Oh, it was cleaned, and this sheet was cleaned from the beginning and to the end. And this sheet was cleared by our settings. And when we go to range cleaner, we see that my cell B12 with some content was also cleared, but formatting is left. Formatting is left because my script is set to clear only content, only values. So I'll clear formatting manually. And that's all. And let's also see why it cleared the whole sheet 2. This is because we said sheet 2 and left this blank. Leave blank to clear all sheet. Left range blank, and this was also blank, and this gave us all sheet was cleared. And that's all. Hope you like the video. To use this script, create your own copy. I'll leave the link below the video.